Arthritis is a general term that refers to inflammation of the joints. It encompasses over 100 different conditions and diseases that affect the joints, tissues surrounding the joints, and other connective tissues. The most common types of arthritis are osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Osteoarthritis occurs due to the wear and tear of joint cartilage over time, while rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease in which the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own joints. There are several foods that may help alleviate joint pain and promote joint health. While diet alone may not be a cure for joint conditions, incorporating these foods into a well-balanced diet can contribute to overall joint health. Here are some foods that are commonly recommended. 1. Fatty fish. Cold water fish such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce joint pain and inflammation. 2. Berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants that can help combat inflammation. They also contain compounds that may help protect against cartilage damage. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It contains a compound called curcumin, which has been studied for its potential benefits in reducing joint pain and inflammation. 4. Ginger. Ginger has long been used for its medicinal properties, including its anti-inflammatory effects. It may help reduce joint pain and improve mobility. 5. Leafy green vegetables. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli are rich in antioxidants and contain a variety of nutrients that support joint health. They also have anti-inflammatory properties. 6. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flaxseeds, and chia seeds are good sources of omega-3 fatty acids and other nutrients that may help reduce inflammation and support joint health. 7. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a healthy fat that contains compounds with anti-inflammatory effects. It can be used as a cooking oil or as a dressing for salads. 8. Garlic. Garlic has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which may help reduce joint pain and inflammation. 9. Tart cherries. Tart cherries and tart cherry juice have been studied for their potential benefits in reducing inflammation and easing joint pain. They contain compounds that may help inhibit inflammatory pathways. 10. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which have been associated with reduced inflammation and joint damage. It can be a healthy alternative to sugary beverages. Remember, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized advice tailored to your specific condition and needs. They can provide you with more comprehensive guidance on how to manage joint pain through diet and other lifestyle modifications.